Jamaica Stone is available through wholesale Jamaica Stone. We've been selling it since 1985. If you're having a problem with premature ejaculation, well, this will help. Also good to increase your sexual pleasure. Again, Jamaica Stone, available through us. China Live Stone, used in China for over 1,000 years. Again, great for premature ejaculation and to prolong your sexual pleasure. China Love Stones available through us through wholesale Jamaica Stone. So if you want to increase your sexual pleasure, if you're having a problem with premature ejaculation, well, don't be shy because 30% of men have that problem at some point in time in their life. This may be the answer. Men's Little Secret, Jamaica Stone and China Live Stone, available through wholesale Jamaica Stone. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.